Be careful what you do, you. You understand what I say? If you know, say, you're not involved in them things here, I hope that you will be exonerated. See? But if you know, say, in your heart, DJ, you're involved in some things where you need to come out, come out. If you know, say, you have some people involved in some things where they're not supposed to involve in, take them out. Fix up on yourself, man. On the fans, I'm not willing to tell you, but I'm willing to tell you, See, I'm telling you this out of an abundance of respect. You don't need to fix up on yourself. See, if you know say your thing govern and you're not involved in that, then fine. If you know say the people them around you, them thing govern and them not involved in nothing, fine. But if you know say in your heart of hearts, brother, you're involved in things, stop. You know, people around you involved in things, tell them to stop. Some of the man them around you need to get rid of them. When I say get rid of them, I mean so take on yourself, because that's the next thing. I have said many a times that of the modern crop of artists, Tamili and Massacre are the two persons I listen the most, strangely enough. You understand? So I have nothing personal against Tamili. You understand? However, Tamili's name cannot be aligned to certain things for so long and it no stop. Like, me just find that peculiar and strange. See? As I say, I know practically all of Tamili songs them just like Massacre. See? And as much as a lot of the music is violent, you can still find the creativity and the talent behind the violence. I kind of stop listening to certain music in terms of the nature of the music, but talent are talent. You understand what I'm saying? So we know it is easy to get up and say, for one side, X. You understand? So the system of fight Tamili and, you understand? Or Tamili at this and Tamili involved in that. It is easy. I mean, also Tamili has not been dealt some bad hands, you know. See? But again, my grandmother used to say a thing, answer. If you don't go for rules, folk can't shit by you in a family. Then I say that in all honesty. I don't accuse Tamili of nothing. I have said it before and I'll say it again. If the artist knows say him innocent of all the accusations and him never involved in nothing nefarious, you understand? And he has nothing to do with any upsurge of violence and a shooting incident and a latch scamming, then make him conscience set him free. If the artist, however, knows say him involved in some things where him shouldn't involve in, it's not too late. Clean up of a clean up, Rasta. Yeah, so none of we're not perfect, you know. Zine. But, brother, too many times. You understand? No, as I say, people will get up and say, yo, but teach a system and fight the youth. The system of this, the system of that. I have heard the same story as it relates to a particular entertainer. Many years, me say the system of fight the youth. Many years. Where the youth there? So I have never accused the man of anything. I am just saying, brother, something someone need to sort out. You understand? All me have to say about Tamili, if these things are fabricated and he's innocent, then I hope him get him justice. If there's anything what Tamili need to fix, him need to fix it. Cause watch ya. It's like, say, you know, what grandparents normally tell you things, say, every day, bucket a go well, one day bottom must drop out. You understand?
Yeah.
You don't feel like, say, Tamili name a call too much time and eventually one at a time, him just go get quote unquote check. Whether we say him is a victim of the system, your name a call too much time family. You understand?
Rita.
So, whatever the problem is, it needs to be sorted out. If the problem is on the side of the police, you understand, and there's a personal vendetta on the side of a police officer or police officers, then the powers that be need to address the thing. You understand? The inspectorate of the police force in the come, what have you need for do them investigation and fix what we fix. Versus, if the problem is on the side of the artist need to fix what we fix. No. Here we are again. You understand? Tommy Lee has had his name called so many times before, whether in innocence or guilt. Tommy Lee has had so many run-ins with the security forces, and Tommy Lee, according to the information released by the JCF, was found with a gun in his waist. What a waste.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!